Oh no, please don't die out on me. Damn, completely lost it. Here at Flushing Meadows Park, this is where I do most of my testing. Alright, I've got GPS lock, everything's set. First we're gonna take the Evo. I'll play with the antennas if I need to. Let's see if we'll make it to the observatory, orbit it, and come back. Wish me luck with this Evo, guys. Be sure to check out autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs. Wow, getting some props in there. Don't like that, Autel. But anyway, we'll give it a little tilt. Not a big deal. Oh my gosh, this drone has a beautiful camera. Oh, video signal weak. You've seen it. You've seen it. And that's because a plane is going by. Okay, now as you can see, the video signal is getting very weak. It's, oh no, please don't die out on me. I haven't even reached the road. I'm like, what, 2,700 feet? Okay, I'm gonna adjust the antennas. I'm gonna turn them up. Please clear up for me, Autel. Please do this for me. I'm pointed straight at you. If you could just please make it there. And this is what I talk about. A few days ago, I went 1 point something miles. Yeah, I see you. Video signal weak. Okay, it's clearing up. But you see that? I gotta like stop, refresh, play with the antennas. That's the kind of stuff that I'm talking about. I am 200 feet. Let's go a little higher. Maybe I'll get a better transmission. Let's go like 250. Please. Oh, wow. This drone, it goes really high, really fast. So forgive me. I need to get used to this. Oh my gosh. I love the colors on my screen though. I'm not going to lie. I love the colors. Okay, Autel is back. It's back. It's back. I have video transmission. This drone kind of, I haven't really set it up so it flies smooth, so I know I won't get a good orbit. Can I pull this off, Evo? Can you get the orbit? Can you pull it off? Can you pull this off? Oh, he hits the back. He hits the back and I lost connection behind. Oh no, it's back. It's back. The Evo's back. The Evo's back and still orbiting and still orbiting. And still orbiting. Yes, it's breaking up the video transmission. It's breaking up, but it's still doing it. Broken up video stream, but it still gets the job done. Phantom is next. This one unfortunately does not screen record very well, so you guys will be watching my screen. Let's try without the parabolics first. Taking these off, put them away. Let's see what this thing can do without the parabolics.
No point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
High wind, fly with caution. This drone is just booking it. See that? That's that light bridge. It starts to flicker and break out, and that's 720 transmission P. There you go. I'm getting bad transmission. Maybe I'll have to angle this towards where I'm flying. Oops, here we go. We'll try and angle this a little better. Sticks also start acting a little funny. Right now it's only my video. I feel like my sticks are running smooth. See that? So as you can see, the screen is breaking up a lot, but I still have very good control over the drone. There we go. There's a transmission problem. This is what we talk about. Oops, I lost it. Come on back. Come on back. Damn. Completely lost it. There we go. Lost it behind. The aircraft is totally not detected. Last but not least, guys, we have the original Mavic, the Mavic Pro with the Ocusync 1. We're gonna try to do the same thing. Let's see how this bad boy, which is one of my favorite drones, actually performs. Wow, it actually shows you where planes are coming from now, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna go to 250 feet because that was the height. Bear with me, guys, this will take some time. Alright, as you can see, no glitch, guys, not even a glitch. I mean, the Mavic Pros definitely takes its time because it's a lot slower than the Autel Evo and the Mavic 2 Pro. Just thought I'd mention that because I've flown both. But this here is the pinnacle of reliability. Look, not even a glitch, guys. Not even a glitch on the Mavic Pro. Let's go a little closer. That's what I like with the Mavic Pro 2 because it's so slow, which you can do too with other drones.
This video and all the equipment used has been sponsored by madmixtube.com, a creative, free space for you to upload your content today.
But oh my gosh, let's get a little closer. Just because this drone is just that good. Just because it's just that good. It's just that good. Not a glitch, not a flicker, not a warning, not a nothing, not a nothing. Look at this Mavic Pro. Go, guys. Tell me Ocusync is not the best of the best. Okay, we got a little glitch there, a little glitch as we came out through the back area at 250 feet, and the Mavic Pro has done it the best. So the Autel Evo did get the job done. I was able to orbit the observatory, not the smoothest orbit because the signal was kind of breaking up. I had to adjust the antennas a lot, and as you can see, I had to stop at some points, let the signal catch up back and go again. But I feel like if you really become good at playing with these antennas, I think you can get any shot that you can pretty much get with the Mavic Pro 1 or the Mavic Pro 2. You just have to tinker with it a lot. Some locations may be more than others, but at the end of the day, the Mavic Pro Ocusync 1 and the Ocusync 2.0 transmission is a little more reliable and a little more stronger. I'm happy with the Evo. It's just sometimes the transmission really comes and goes, and let's just face it, there's nothing beating Ocusync. Nothing beating Ocusync.